And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. North Lethbridge there just under an hour ago. Last rays of sunshine hitting the church steeple there. Mainly clear skies right now, 10 degrees. We did get to 12 and we were down to 4 at 6 a.m. this morning was our overnight low, which is well above where we should be for this time of year. But reality is landing on our doorstep tomorrow. Winds are out of the west at 41 right now. They have been gusting a little stronger than that, and you can see the resulting temperatures in the double digits in most areas. A couple of exceptions, but boy, it was very mild today. This will be the last day for a few days as far as those mild temperatures go. Here's the record numbers that were broken today, and then you can add Calgary into that mix as well, having broken their existing record today too. So a lot of warm air that's been funneled from the Pacific Ocean, and we're going to see a change in direction. And so right now you can see the cloud banks, just a little cloud dusting moving off the mountains from the west to the east. The directional flow is going to change to the northeast, and so that's going to pull down that cooler air mass. As I said to Jackie, low pressure center moving across the north, pushed a warm front in advance. Winds were up as well as that warm front moved across, but we have a cold front that's lining up ready to push down. So up until now, the precipitation has been isolated to the mountains. They've had a rain-snow combination, but look at this in the forecaster. We're going to see this all change. We're going to have a rain-snow mix moving down into southern Alberta late in the day. Tomorrow things will start to clear out and we'll be back into sunshine in the ensuing days, but the temperatures are what's going to take a hit. It'll take a few days to recover, but by the weekend we're back into positive numbers again. Down east, low pressure center is moving across into the Labrador area, rotation around that, still kicking those minus temperatures and snowfall into Atlantic Canada and parts of the Maritimes, but from about Toronto west is where you get that flow that's creating those positive numbers. And that, of course, exists definitely in Alberta, where we saw those Chinook conditions once again today. Some sunshine on the coast in Vancouver, snowing in Whitehorse, snowing in Yellowknife, and temperatures in the minus values there. Wind chills are going to be a factor once again in Yellowknife overnight tonight. For East Kootenay, you're looking at periods of snow tonight down to -4, -1 for a high tomorrow with periods of snow, northwest winds at about 20 kilometers per hour. Crow's Nest Pass, this is where it gets interesting. Your daytime high is 0. You'll have some light snow tonight and tomorrow expected, and then your temperature will slide down to -11 by mid-afternoon. For Medicine Hat, -1 for a low tonight, some periods of snow developing early in the morning hours. Light snow tomorrow, 0 for a high, sliding down to -7 by mid-afternoon. Lethbridge, we're looking at an overnight low of -3. We'll hit our daytime high early in the morning tomorrow, and then that'll slide down to -9 by mid-afternoon with periods of snow. We could see 5 centimeters maximum here on the ground, so we're not talking huge amounts of snowfall. It'll be the shock to the system. Look at that overnight low for Wednesday, -18. We haven't seen those numbers in a long time, but then we start to see the recovery pattern kick in and we're in positive numbers as we head towards the weekend. So that's our forecast. Just be aware that we will be having that snowfall tomorrow. Record temperatures, I'll step out of frame and let you take a look at what is popping up for record values. Yes, we've had some very, very mild January days. And as I said, we've had one today for sure, but tomorrow it'll be a dose of reality. It's January after all. That's it for me. Safe evening, everyone.